Hi guys, it's James from Geelong West Vet Clinic, and today I'm touching on a topic a lot of parents can relate to. It's one of those things you often tell the kids to pick up the toys on the ground before the dog eats them. Now for most people, if they shop at the supermarkets, they often get the little toys in the supermarkets. If they go to McDonald's, they get the toys with their meals. If they go to other little restaurants, other shops and stuff like that, there's always a little giveaway, a little toy. That, amongst all the other toys you get, can sometimes cause a problem for us, for our pets. This little one has caused us grief at the clinic. It's one of the Lion King Ushies, and for people with parents, you're probably like our household and have Ushies everywhere. The problem is the pet eats one and the kids don't tell you, or they eat a couple and then you're chasing the pet around the house to get the Ushi out of their mouth. If you're at all concerned, it's one of those things. Yeah, they eat them. They're the perfect size for an obstruction in their intestine. The other time we often see them would be the kids are at home, little toys on the ground. In this case, it's one of the Paw Patrol characters, and the pet chews it and runs away and you chase them and then they gulp it down really quickly because they're like, crap, I didn't expect them to eat it. And sometimes it's not because they're flavouring it, sometimes the texture and so forth. The other thing you tend to see would be kids at home. They take their underwear off or socks, the dogs chew on them because of the smells and so forth, and then this causes an obstruction. The other thing with little kids at home would be little bits of wrapping, alfoil, plastic from lunchboxes and stuff. So I think it's really important to stress to the family when you've got kids and pets is they have to be mindful to pick the toys off the ground, the socks, whatever it might be, to stop the pets from eating them. If they don't, and you're unfortunate enough to have your pet eat the said product, it's probably worthwhile to give us a ring and pop down, because it's easy for us to instigate treatment earlier, and what that generally involves is giving them some medication which purges up their stomach, and effectively the contents are generally brought up. So whether it's an Ushi or 2 or 3, some socks or Legos even, it gets out of the stomach before it has opportunity to cause a problem. And if that's the case, that's where the story ends. It's the poor old pets that then the owners don't see them eat the bits of plastic or materials that then present to us a day or days later, vomiting, lethargic, perhaps sore in their tummy. They're the ones we often end up having to do x-rays, surgery, and then remove the little objects. So guys, as a bit of warning, if your pet eats something it shouldn't have, give us a call. We can get it out before it hopefully causes too much of a problem. But otherwise, tell the kids, the vet said you've got to pick up your toys on the ground. Take care guys, and we'll speak to you soon. All the best.